Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just decided, let's just go ahead, sit down, play around with some makeup. By the way, I feel like I haven't been here for so long, and that is because I haven't been here for so long. I haven't been here on, excuse me. I have not filmed a video in so long, and we're not gonna even get into like my personal life, but it's been a crazy freaking last month, and I just decided, F it, I'm not gonna film this month because there's no way that I'm gonna film half-assed videos, just absolutely not. So now that we're back, so now that I'm finally feeling so much better, besides anything that's going on in my personal life, I just decided, let me go ahead and sit down because I do have to go to work today. It's my first day being back in the office post Rona, and I'm just like, do I even want to go? No. Do I have to? Yes. But ay, Dios mío. If you guys want to go ahead and sit down with me and play around with some makeup, I have a few things that are new and have a few things that I really want to go ahead and use again, because I haven't worn makeup in probably over a year, you guys. I have been wearing makeup like a little bit here and there. When I used to film a video, I just would put it on and then take it off immediately because, Rona took over. So here we are trying to like get back into the groove of wearing makeup, because you know what, I missed wearing my makeup. So let's just get right into the video. By the way, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Also hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified whenever that I post a video. So let's just get right into the video. It's gonna be a long day. It's around 6 a.m. and I have to get ready for work, and I really don't want to go. I really don't want to go. I'm already drinking like my iced coffee, and I'm just dreading going back to the office. I really don't want to do anything crazy. By the way, I did get my hair done for my birthday. I wanted something different from what I was used to. I usually have like my dark black hair that, my natural hair. So I decided to get like a balayage kind of thing, and I'm still kind of feeling it out, but at the same time I'm just like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows first just because they're the easiest to do. So I'm gonna start with this right here. This is the AOA Studio Fat Lash Primer Mascara. Like I mentioned in my last video, you guys, I do not use this for my lashes. I use this for my brows because it really sets my lashes. It tames them. It feels like I'm wearing like a lash glue on my brows, or like, a brow gel, if you will. And the best thing about this one, it's only $1. It is only $1, you guys. You cannot go wrong with $1. So I'm just like, you know what? Bought 20 and I'm just like, I'm good to go. I literally just take like a spoolie. I just take this brush from Anastasia and just run it through my brows. And it should, did you hear my voice? Oh my god. And then what I like to do is just go ahead and take my pomade. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Just run it through my brows real quick. I kind of want to do like something in the inner corner, maybe like an inner corner colored highlight, an inner pop of color. I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This is the Belief Beauty Lock It In eyeshadow primer. I discovered this when I was trying out the Belief Beauty products from a video that I did. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below for you guys, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, this is such a great eyeshadow primer. So we're gonna go ahead and take this palette right here. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I reviewed it here on my channel. This is the BH Cosmetics BFF collection. This is a collab with Alondra and Elsie, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. It's called Latte, all over the lid. I miss putting on makeup that I'm just like, been MIA here on my channel for a while, and I will tell you guys why. I was actually gonna film like a little mukbang just to like fill you guys in. Mind you, don't mind that I have like a red nose right here. I was wearing my glasses earlier, but I have been MIA because so much shit has been going on in my life. It is August 3rd. I haven't filmed probably in over a month or two. I was in the process of buying a house, and that was just the horrible experience. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. It's called Aloe and Else. And I'm taking this on a Morphe R2 brush. Yeah, so what else happened in June? It was my birthday. We went to Vegas. We were there for about maybe 3-4 days. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here. It's called Blessed. It's a little hard to see because of my whole lighting, so hopefully that's a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Madison Beer Luminous Setting Spray from Morphe. I know that I'm gonna get a lot of questions if I'm still gonna go ahead and film the Miss A, what I don't like from the Miss A website. And yes, I already have it filmed. I just gotta go ahead and edit it, and I hope to have it up by Sunday, if not Monday. And I also just put in another order last night from Miss A. So yeah, I have 3 new videos coming at you guys, and I also have a day in my life type of situation, just because my routine has pretty much changed. Like, I have been going to the gym a lot. I've been going to the gym for the past 3 months, like non-stop. Like, there's a couple days that I really do miss, and I'm pretty sure that's just not me, that's pretty much everyone. But like me, you guys, can you guys believe, like, me? Because I have lost 27 pounds, and it was so much hard work. And if you guys are in your own journey of losing weight or eating healthier, let me know down below if you guys have any video suggestions that you guys would recommend me watching, because I have changed the way I eat, oh my god, tremendously. I'm gonna go back and grab that shade. I also just want to go ahead and take a moment to like thank all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. Even when I've been MIA, like, you guys are the best. I am so happy to have you guys as my subscribers. So I'm gonna keep the lids like this for now. I am gonna come back to them. I just really want to go ahead and put some like liner on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a brown liner. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies. I'm going to go ahead and use these by Ambil Lashes. They're just really full, wispy, voluminous, like everything that I want in a lash. We're just going to pretend that didn't happen. This is what the lashes look like. They're very full, wispy, voluminous. Everything that I want in a lash. This one has it. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm going to use this Lash It Out by e.l.f. So this is what the lashes look like when they're on. I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I love that they have like a very intense flick to them on the wing, like chef's kiss. Moving on to the face. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the Madison Beer Luminous Setting Spray. This is from Morphe. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Matte Putty Primer. And no reason why I mixed up luminous and dewy. I just like a little satin combo, if you will. So I am going to just be applying. Ooh, I dug my nail in it. One. By the way, you guys, like, what's the weather where you guys live? Because right here where I live, the weather sucks. Like, I really wanted like a hot girl summer kind of weather, and we're having like 50-degree weather. If we're lucky, we get it to like 67, 70. We haven't gotten it that high, and I'm just like, what the, like, I wanted like to do like a hot girl summer type of shit, and that's just really not the case. So for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use this is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish foundation. I'm using the shade medium, or actually not medium, neutral tan. I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe Beauty sponge, and this might be a little light for my skin. That's okay, we'll make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. Camel Concealer. This is a hydrating one. I'm gonna use the shade Light Beige, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it here. And I'm gonna add a little bit to my chin, Cupid's bow, my bridge of nose, and just a little bit on the forehead. I don't know if this is a new brand at Target, or maybe I just haven't been to Target in so long, but I saw this and I'm like, ooh, I have not tried that, so let's go ahead and try it out. I'll put it right here, the name of it, because it doesn't say it on here. It just says the name of the foundation stick. It's called Beautiful Bronze. Okay, go up. Do you hear that? Is it? Oh, this is so cute. It has a little brush. How do you go? Oh, I see it. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, bronze up the. Oh, that's very orange. Shit. Okay, I didn't realize it was that orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and still use it just because I already applied it. I'm just gonna do one side of my face first. And aside from the shade, it blended out really, really good. So I might have to go back and try out another shade. I am going to go ahead and set my concealer just a little bit, because or else I'm just going to go ahead and be a crazy ass. But I'm going to go ahead and use the Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter powder. So moving on, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette right here. This is the Sexy Lady by MC Magic palette. I have a whole video dedicated to this palette, so I will link it down below for you guys. I'll also put like a card up here, so make sure to check it out. Such a good palette, you guys. That's all I gotta say. But it looks like this on the inside, and I kind of want to use this orangey or bright orange color. Like, I know it doesn't really look that orange, but bitch, it's orange. So I kind of want to take that shade and kind of just pop it like in the inner corner. It's not really giving me like intense vibes as I want. I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and take this yellow right there. This is from the Ultimate Utopia from the NYX eyeshadow palette, which looks like that. I'm gonna take this goldeny shade right there. I'm gonna pop that right on top of that orange. I like it. So I'm going to finish off the lower lash, and I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. It's called OOTD. I'm going to go ahead and move on to bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and use the BFF X Alondra and BH Cosmetics. You guys know what it is. It's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Skinny Legend. So I am going to move on to a blush, and I'm going to use this right here. I originally said that I was going to return this because I did it in like trying my subscribers' favorite makeup, I believe, and I got this one and I realized I got the wrong shades in this palette, but there's just one blush that I'm just like, and it's this one right here. Can you just, that shade is just so pretty. and I think I over applied, but that's okay. I was originally going to go ahead and use this highlight from Jaclyn Cosmetics, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and use a different highlight and use this one right here. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter. This is in the shade Lavish, a champagne tone highlight. I think it's just going to go look, it's, you know, it's just going to coincide with the freaking lid color. I can't even come up with like my damn words, but we're gonna go ahead and use this. For a lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Free Spirit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these right here. These are the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish Liquid Lips by Physicians Formula. I don't know which one I want, but we need one. So I think I am gonna go ahead and use All Natural Nude. Oh, it matches perfectly with like the lip liner. Okay, the smell is really strong. Should I add a gloss? Should I not add a gloss? That is the real question. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one by the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss from e.l.f. And let's use this one. Yeah, a gloss is so much better. So last but not least is the setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and use the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, the OG. It's an oldie but a goodie. So we're gonna go ahead and take this. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I need to hurry up because I am gonna be going, I still need to freaking get dressed. Oh my god, I hate work, but anyways, this is a look that I came up with, you guys. I know it's not really anybody's cup of tea. If you take away the inner corner like orangey kind of look, then you know it's an everyday kind of look, but I just decided to throw it in because I'm not just, you know, like I'm not like the rest of the people who like natural kind of looks. If you've been to my channel, you know. But anyways guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you guys get notified whenever I post a video. Yes, I am freaking talking way too fast, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.